scared family. More pups. I'm afraid when I park, then they run away. And they are coming. This is now what we can do. Definitely I cannot spot them on. I don't have tablets for this. Къде иде на мама папитето? И къде иде на мама бебитето? И айде мамуси, айде мам. Last month they all been castrated, covered with ticks. Please help me to buy them tablets. They will never let me to spot them on. I have spot on. Айде мама, what? It's a mother with 3 daughters. Mother with 3 daughters. Айде бебите, what? Тука. Айде пукчета. Айде маминци. Айде бабуси. Айде бабуси гуси. Айде мишочи малки. Айде мам. Айде де. Кой ще дойде да папка пръв? Кой ще е най-смел? Кой ще е най-смеличък? Айде мамънчета. Айде мам. This is the hardest when they are not trustful. Айде мишочета. Айде мам. Айде бебета. At least there won't be more pups. Хайде мечета. Хайде мам. Хайде пуханка. When I walk away, they will come to take it. That's for sure. So I'll leave 3 each. Stunning girl there. Stunning. Хайде маминча. Хайде бебе. Пукча. I cannot see attack on all of them because I left before all of them to be catched, but the mom and the black one definitely were castrated because I was still here. Maybe the other two didn't get to the trap because the vets put a trap for them. Oof. Хайде букчета, хайде маму тук. Хайде. Хайде де. Хайде мече малко. Хайде мамина мечанки. Хайде пухани. Хайде мамина пуханка. So seems only the black one but have been done. She got a bone. They will come, it's better I to leave them on their own.